Wow, hello. It's been since November of 2017 since I've jumped on here, but it's okay, we're fine. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or hello to my channel. I don't really know. It has been a hot second since I filmed a video. A lot has changed since I've been on the tube game. So I figured I would just hop on here, do a little get ready with me type thing, and just kind of catch you guys up on my life, where I've been, what's been going on, everything. So let's just get right into it, because this face is bare. She's looking rough. So obviously I was doing a lot of Columbia videos, a lot of junior, freshman, sophomore year experience. I did do a senior one, mainly because that's when everything kind of caught up with me. Sorry, I'm gonna use this little mirror guy to help me with my makeup today. But yeah, a lot of stuff kind of caught up with me at the end of 2017. Mainly just, career stuff, school stuff. I really had to start focusing on where I was going, what job I was gonna get, if I was going to graduate. I really had to buckle down and just focus on those things, which made me put YouTube off to the side, essentially. Which, kind of sucks, but, thanks to me taking such a long break from YouTube, I'm in a position where I'm really happy with. There's that. I graduated. Woo! Obviously, I don't think I'd be as excited if I didn't graduate. But yep, I graduated from Columbia College Chicago. Super excited about that. Super proud. I loved the school so much. Columbia was awesome. If I could go to grad school, I probably would. But I don't have that money. So here I am. But yeah, so shortly after that, I started working full-time at a job, which I won't be disclosing because I don't really want that information to get out. Although I'm sure a lot of you probably know where I work. So anyways, yeah, then, oh my gosh, we bought a house. That was, oh my god, that's almost been a year ago. This week, April 18th marks closing and getting the keys to our home. That's a super exciting time in our lives. And I won't say what city we moved into or the area or anything, just for personal reasons, but we did move over the border to Indiana, and we commute to work almost every day. Pretty much like 4 days a week. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much just been life all of last year. Then this past January, Scott did something. Scott did that. He did that! Yes, me and Scott are engaged. This is primarily the reason why I'm back on YouTube, is because in the wedding process, there's so much that goes on, so many things, and I really wanted to get back on YouTube to share like my thoughts, opinions, whatever about wedding planning. But also, while I was doing some planning of my own, I feel like I have other tips that a lot of brides are not mentioning. And so I would kind of like to share my thoughts on tips and advice. And yeah, and then also on the other half of it, I really just want to be able to go back and look at these videos again after the whole wedding planning is over with. I kind of just wanted to catch up everybody before I just popped on after like a year and a half and be like, hey guys, what's up? I'm engaged. Like, let's do this thing. So, you know, kind of wanted to catch everybody up first. But yeah, I'm gonna do a video about the proposal, the story, kind of talk about our process, things we've been learning, all the good stuff. Okay, everybody, so I went ahead and just quickly finished up this look off camera, but that's kind of the catch up with me, how everything's going, what's new in my life, all that stuff. But I'm super excited to get started on the wedding series, and so stay tuned for that. And hope you guys can come back to my channel, keep watching my videos, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys later. I promise this time. Bye!